Hey, this is Brian with EvoDynamic, and I'm glad you chose to use ConvertKit and work with EvoDynamic to help set it up. To get us access to your account, first you need to go to ConvertKit.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in there, go up to the upper right-hand corner where your name is and your little header icon, and click on Account Settings. From there, on the left bar, go to Team and click Invite a Team Member. At that point, you can put our name, EvoDynamic Devs, and our email address, support@evodynamic.com. You can give us editor rights, click Invite, and you're good to go. We'll be able to pick that up, get into your account, and help you manage your property. Thanks.